What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another monthly portfolio update for the month of April. So as you guys can see, let's do a quick recap for the month of March. For the month of March, my portfolio was sitting at $126,000 or £94,000. My cost basis was $122,000 or £92,000. So I was up 2.77%, which isn't great. You know, that is a massive fall from my all-time high. However, we have seen a little bit of a recovery in April. So if you go for the month of April, we can see that a lot has changed. So I'm now sitting at, new tax year, now sitting at 399 shares in my ISA account and 105 shares in my general investment account. So what's happened for the month of April? So I've done a lot of buying for the month of April. So my buys, I bought 1.9 shares at a cost of 223.77. So that was a total of 425. 2 shares at 229, half a share at 247, a share at 254, 0.1 share of 241, 2.4 shares of 245, 1 share of 236, 3 shares of 263, 4 shares of 287, another share at 287. So that leaves my buys for April of 16.9 shares. I bought 16.9 shares of Tesla in the month of April for an average buy price of 256. My buys for the month of April is $4,337, and just for my buys, the stuff I bought is up 9.93% just in that month, which is not too bad. Obviously, Tesla's very volatile, so that could go up and down. Obviously, nothing in this video is financial advice. So what does that mean for my total portfolio? Now, currently, my ISA is sitting at a 12.08% gain, just because the current price as of recording is $282.16. My cost, all my shares in this ISA is $251.75. So I have just, currently put in $100,000 into my ISA, over the, six tax years now, that I've managed to put in, which is pretty good. And then it's currently valued at $112,000, and obviously I've had a little bit of extra money where I've hit, in years I have hit my allowance. So I've put money in a general investment account. I've currently put $26,000 into my general investment account, nearly $27,000, and the current price is just under $30,000. So in total, I have sitting at 504 Tesla shares, at an average cost of $252 a share, and at a current price of $282 a share. My portfolio is currently valued at $142,000 or £106,000, at a cost of $127,000 or £95,000. So I'm getting really close to getting over that £100,000 mark on my cost, and obviously I'm up 11.7% over 2 accounts. So what's this mean in the graph? Well, it's it has getting a lot better. We did see a massive drop off where my portfolio just nearly fell in half, from over 200,000 to like 120,000. So yeah, it was a massive fall. We have seen a little bit of a recovery. Hopefully that continues. But even if it has another little drop off, we can see the general trend of this graph is very good. It is following that exponential curve very nicely. So yeah, I'm hopefully going to continue to make gains. Now obviously, now that I have hit the 500 shares, I am going to be looking buying other stocks. So my next month portfolio update, you will see some other stocks, some other names in here. Some you may know, some you may not. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might be interested. Anyway guys, that's it for me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.